This is a gold mine. If you have ever thrown the pepper seeds into the garbage, never do it again. Watch today's video and you will be surprised with this practical and wonderful tip. I will teach you how to plant this pepper in a flower bed that you have available. By harvesting the beautiful and healthy peppers, you will save a lot more. In addition, you will have a vegetable free of poisons or antioxidants that are offered for sale. And all this without much effort, in the simplest way possible. With this video, you will learn how to make your seeds germinate better and faster correctly. There are 3 varieties of bell pepper: green, yellow, and red. Everyone knows that peppers are costing a lot in the markets, with a base price of up to $5 per kilo. With this advice, you will save a lot more to be able to plant. You will only need the center of the pepper where the seeds are located. Let the sun dry for 2 days, and then remove all the seeds from that nucleus rich in nutrients. The bell pepper is a source of vitamins A, C, B, and minerals with antioxidant properties that fight free radicals and prevent premature aging. It can be consumed raw, roasted, or cooked in various hot dishes and salads. Make small holes in the soil of the vase and place the seeds inside. In the meantime, tell me in the comments where you are watching this video. I like to know the destination to which our work arrives. The pepper is a vegetable with very beneficial properties for health, enhancing immunity, preventing vision problems, balancing the mood, favoring weight loss, and helping to keep the skin young and fresh. Then we cover these holes with more soil to cover the seeds. Other benefits that bell pepper provides to humans are preventing anemia, preventing cancer, providing eye health, relieving inflammatory and gastritis, increasing immunity, favoring sleep and reducing cholesterol, relieving pain, and much more. After about 14 days, you will see that this advice is working and your plant will germinate and look very beautiful. The ideal thing is to let these seeds dry in the sun so that there is germination. After germinating, separate them from the vase, leaving a maximum of 2 plants in each flower pot. If your vase is very large, you can leave up to 3. If it is too small, only 1 is enough. After about 80 days, depending on the fertilization and the care you give the plant, you will have large and healthy peppers. With a single nucleus, you can get up to 200 peppers. It is very good, and the quality-price relationship is great. So do not waste time. It is a simple and practical advice to have a great production of this spice.